Few years back, printing an image or text on a paper used to be a big deal. But now, it's even possible to simply print a physical object with variety of materials using 3D printers. In this video, we will get familiar with the next industrial revolution, the 3D printing. 3D printing is a process of making three-dimensional solid objects from a computer-aided design model. The creation of a 3D printed object is most commonly achieved using an additive process. In an additive process, the object is built by laying down successive layers of material until the object is created. There are two most popular techniques on which majority of 3D printers function. First one is FDM, also known as Fused Deposition Modeling. During FDM printing, the plastic filament is fed through a hot extruder where the plastic gets soft enough that it can be precisely placed by the print head. The melted filament is then deposited layer by layer on the print area to build the workpiece. Second is SLA, also known as stereolithography apparatus, which uses a curable photopolymer, a liquid resin, that is hardened by applying focused UV light. SLA printers usually build models from top to bottom. The build platforms lift the model upwards out of the resin bath. The finishing of 3D prints from SLA printers is of better quality as compared to FDM. 3D printing workflow starts by creating 3D CAD model, which is then sliced or divided into stack of flat layers using a slicer software to generate a STL or G-code file, which is then fed into 3D printer as a set of instruction for precise movement of extruder to print the object. The material which are commonly used by 3D printers is plastic. But with advancing technology, the printers can print in wide variety of materials like wood, glass, metal, concrete, and even cellular material to print human organs like nose and ear. With disruptive breakthroughs in 3D printing technology, it is now even possible to 3D print an object out of this world. I mean in space. Yeah, you heard me right. That's already been done by NASA. Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned for more interesting videos.